Today, the customer complained of a grinding noise in the rear end of the vehicle. Let's check it out. Now, as we can see, we ended up with some what's known as metal on metal. The entire friction surface of the brake pad is worn off, and we had the metal backer plate coming in full contact with the rotor. A new brake pad, as you can see, lots of material compared to the old brake pad with no material. This can simply be caused by a lack of servicing when the pads themselves become seized into the brake anchor. The buildup of rust and debris causing the pads not to slide freely in the anchors. Another potential cause for this is when the caliper pins themselves seize in their bores and prevent the caliper from sliding in and out as it's designed. A simple fix for this is coming in and getting your brakes serviced annually.